Welcome devs, Talatia here. In this series, we will deep dive into ASP.NET Core, a powerful framework for building modern web applications. We will start from the basics and we will learn ASP.NET Core, MVC and Web API. Whether you are beginner or looking to improve your skills, this series has something for everyone. We will keep this simple, practical and to the point, focusing on hands-on coding. So if you are excited to learn ASP.NET Core and enhance your development skills, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out any updates. In this series, we will learn ASP.NET Core with Web API and MVC. This video is only for introduction part and we will see what is ASP.NET Core. So in this series, what we will going to learn? First we will learn C# because it's a programming language. We will use this for creating MVC and Web APIs applications. In this series, we are using ASP.NET Core 8 version. So it's the latest version. Then after we will see MVC architecture and then we will learn Web APIs. Let's see what is ASP.NET Core. ASP.NET Core is the modern high-performance web development framework for .NET that runs on Windows, Linux, Mac OS and Docker. ASP.NET Core is a modern framework used for building web applications. It's a high performance for web development framework and it's a cross-platform. It's a run on Windows, Linux and Mac OS and Docker also. So let's talk more about the ASP.NET Core. ASP.NET is a popular web development framework for building web apps on the .NET platform. So ASP.NET is a popular web development framework. It's used for creating web application on .NET platform. ASP.NET Core is the open source version of ASP.NET. So ASP.NET is an open source that runs on Mac OS, Linux and Windows. ASP.NET Core was first released in 2016 and is a redesign for early Windows only version of ASP.NET. Let's talk about the performance of ASP.NET Core. Performance is a key focus of ASP.NET Core. It's faster than other popular web framework because ASP.NET is latest version of ASP.NET and its performance is very faster than old one, and it's open source also. Like the rest of .NET, ASP.NET is open source on GitHub. .NET has over 1 lakh contributions and 3,700 companies have already contributed. So this is all about the overview and introduction part of ASP.NET Core. From next video we will start with C#. Then we will learn MVC and then Web API. That's all for this video. We will meet in next video. Please subscribe my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and comment if you have any question and doubt. Thank you.